Hi guys, happy Sunday to you all. Happy Sunday guys, how you all doing? Hope you all having a wonderful and a blessed Sunday. Pick up on yourself. Yes, what is on the menu for today? I'm gonna be doing a nice little breakfast. Yes, so I will be doing salt mackerel. Here's my mackerel. Here are my lovely seasoning that I'm gonna use to put my nice salt mackerel together. Yes, I have some flour that I'm gonna be using to make some dumplings. I have some green bananas. Yes, here's my flour with a little cornmeal. Can't wait for this, guys. I cannot wait. I have onion, tomato. I have a nice Scotch bonnet pepper, not no country pepper today, no fruit sir. Nice Scotch bonnet pepper, girl. Yes. I have a peg of 2 small pegs of garlic. And you know, salt mackerel now, you don't need a lot of garlic. Yeah. I have scallion and thyme, sweet pepper, pimento seeds. I have to use some vinegar to bring up the flavor in the salt mackerel and keep on the rawness. Yes, I have some black pepper. You know, I have a little cooking oil. Yes, to cook up my mackerel. So guys, stay with me, man. Stay with me, alright? Over here, I have the water that I'm going to boil the mackerel in. I'm going to put it in there right now. Alright? Alright, so I'm going to put my mackerel. Start to boil. Give it about 5 minutes. Alright? Soak from overnight, you know. Soak it overnight, you know. It's Sunday morning. So we don't have enough time in the morning to soak it. So you have to soak it from overnight to get out the salt. Right? Salt that you don't want at least. I don't want it salty and I just want it just right. The right amount of flavor and salt and you know, yeah. Alright now, so I am going to cut up my seasoning. Right, so wash my seasoning and cut it up and do all the nice things in it. I don't know, you know, guys. If anything you're cooking, anything you're doing, just make sure it's seasoned the right and proper way. Because if you don't season it, you know, it's coming like you're just working in vain. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's do some cutting bread. Wash your seasoning. Everything properly or proper. You know, salt mackerel you need a lot of onion and tomato and a little pepper, you know, a little spice. Yeah. So guys, I met a nice lovely supporter yesterday. Was Saturday. When you see this video, I hope you see this video, it's reaching the best of health. You know, so bless up yourself. Alright? Did I say June? No, her name is Joan. Joan. So maybe I said June. But it's Joan. Yeah. So bless up yourself. You have some nice, lovely people out here, you know. You have some nice people out here in the social media world, you know. You meet them in person, man. Oh my God. Can't wait for me some of my supporters, you know. Can't wait some special ones, you know, when I see always in my comments. Always. Why if me for call names still, you know. I can't call, me not start calling. I'm not going to start calling names because, you know. People are just so nice. Let's hope Father God continue to bless them. Diva M. She, that is one of the names I never ever. One person that I cannot forget. She's a real support. Real. From the first video. The first video that I put on YouTube. Oh my God, that lady. She always in the comments. Always. I don't know she do it, you know. But I love her so much. First video. until today a video don't miss her. If she don't watch it on the live, later on even an hour after, or so she in the comment. Why? She's a blessing, Father God. So the mackerel over there, that mackerel over there doing it thing. You know, make it boil too long, you know. Not make it too soggy, you know. I'll put another tomato. Put the next tomato. Everything is already washed, right? I'll strip like one onion, the man now. Salt mackerel, oh my lord. Pepper. Alright. Just got to feel hottish. Oh my gosh, so mackerel can take it now. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna pick it up. Clean it up, pick it up, and all the nice things there. A little cooking oil. Now we're going to cook our mackerel. We are going to cook up our mackerel. Right? Yeah. So that can just eat up a little bit. And then we're putting our season. You know, when I'm cooking on the season, at least steaming it. I don't like it when the oil is extra heated or overheated, you know? Like burn the season, you know, get that nice juicy seasoning. So I'm trying to make it just suckle and yeah, not too overheat. Not overheat too much. Can't leave out the 2 grains of pimento seed in there, so don't know that, don't you? That's my addiction. See? And a little vinegar. Turning the stove on a low heat and just turn it down. And just give it turn it down. Cover it. Yeah. But you take your time and just steam it properly. Alright? Yes. So let me just get my mackerel. Right. Get out the bones. Clean it up nicely. Leave back a piece of bone. I'm like my head, my mackerel head. Yeah, I love it. So put my head away right here. I need a piece of bone. guys, and taste your mackerel. Taste it if it need to wash out some more, right? But you don't want it salty, you know. You want the right amount of salt, okay? Mackerel fat. You cannot get out all the bone, you know, all the bones, but you have to try as much as possible to get out. So when you're having your meal, it don't annoy you to that. You know them look away there? Oh Lord, if you ever smell the guys, if you could just smell the season, the aroma that is coming from the season with the vinegar and the, oh Lord, the garlic. The onion, I put few seeds of ferment, about 5 grains. Yes. Alright, so this is nice and done. So we can add in our tomato. Okay. Cover it down and let it simmer nicely. Yeah. And heat and let the mackerel get all the nice flavors from the garlic, the onions, the pimento seeds, the scallion. So I'm going to cover it and let it steam down properly. Here's my flour and my oil. I'm gonna be making my dumplings. Alright, so yeah. I'm not gonna put any salt in the flour. Yeah, the supporter that I met yesterday, Sister Val, me like how you say you don't put salt in the dumplings. Yeah, and then go put salt in the water, boiling water. Right? I'm glad how she's listening. Oh God, that made me feel so good. Yeah, I love that, man. Thank you so much. Yeah, that makes sense. You put salt in the flour, in the dumpling, and then salt in the water. That is too much salt. Just put a little salt in the water, cook whatever you're cooking, and the salt just flavor everything. You know, you don't have to double salt. You can try it if you never used to do it like that. The Holy Spirit show me now. The Holy Spirit. Yeah, man. The Holy Spirit said, don't put any water in. Stop put salt in your dumplings. Stop put salt in your dumplings. Only when we fry it, you know, you put a little salt. Yeah. I want a lot of dumplings. I'll focus on the banana. Focus on the banana, you know? I love banana with salt mackerel. If you have a piece of yellow, you're more nice, so. What can nice so? I'm gonna peel my banana at the same time too. A little water. So that's what I'm gonna be doing now. I'm gonna turn off my stove. The mackerel is finished. Yes. Yes, guys. The banana here not tough enough. Sometimes you see them look like them nice and soft. Oh boy, that's why them say looks deceiving. Deceiving. So I've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notification bell because you see all of them nice little mouth-watering recipes here. I'm not supposed to miss out on them, you know. So see you all in the next video and bye.